Welcome back, explorers. Hello, hi, konnichiwa, hola, bonjour, namaste, and salam. To all my international viewers, welcome to the great United Kingdom. You are about to experience the highest mountain in Wales. We are going to be starting at the PYG Pass car park, which is the gateway to the pig track, the miners track, and it also takes us up to the Crib Goch direction. Today's choice of track, we will be climbing the pig track, which is approximately 6.5 miles there and back, which is 10.8 kilometers. For you to use the PYG Pass car park, you will need to book in advance on the website. It will cost you £40 to park for the entire day. There you will have access to the toilets and the cafe, and that's where you can plan which route to go. I will leave handy links down in the description for the website itself to book the car park, and also where you can download a free PDF map indicating all the routes to the Snowdon summit. The mountain ridge you see ahead of you is the imposing Crib Goch, which is one of UK's finest ridge scrambles and is considered by mountaineers to be a classic route. You can expect plenty of grade 1 scrambling, lots of exposure and sheer drops, stunning views, and thoroughly enjoyable day out in the mountains. As you can see, very quickly the tarmac has stopped and the path has turned into more traditional mountain path, and ahead of us it will turn into some nice stone steps. Take your time heading up this, as you don't want to wear yourself out in the first half hour. It is very obvious that this is going to start getting harder and harder as we go ahead. You will need to clamber over some bigger rocks. Just keep a healthy, steady pace which you can manage. Some essentials which you will need on this route are some very good hiking boots, including a charger in case your phone dies, because remember, there's nobody out here sometimes. Some hydration water, some warm gloves, also a warm jacket. As you climb up, you will get warm and you will shed a lot of your clothes, and when you get to the summit, you will need a jacket to keep you warm, and some snacks. Those are basic essentials you will need on this journey. Just for one moment, let me take the foot off the gas pedal and look around us and remind myself why I bring myself to these awesome adventures. The reason I am here is to explore Snowdon Mountain and to be free, to be detached for the universe, because at this point in time I had no signal on my telephone, and I realized that I am free, not attached to anything, just me and me alone all around me. My brain, my mind is free. There's a moment where I got a chance to thank myself, to thank my heart for beating every single day without a complaint, for thanking my hands and my feet to bring me to these extraordinary places on this beautiful planet. I am letting myself go. I am enjoying the freedom and the true experience of being free. Look at what I am looking around me. At this point in time, I am discovering some happy places in my mind because I'm breathing in some fresh air and reaching out with my hands and arms to absorb the positive energy from these mountains that Mother Nature is giving me. We have already arrived to the 1 mile marker. We are about to experience a beautiful view ahead of us. As you walk along this path, you will start to get a glimpse of the mountain from the other side. I genuinely was excited. I did think of having a pit stop here and have a sandwich. Soon as my eyes caught a glimpse of the lake down below, I got genuine goosebumps. I'm full of excitement. I was looking at this view. I did not expect to see this. This is my first time on the pig track. At the same time, focusing on the goal inside me was to get to the top of the mountain. This is the experience that we're experiencing on the way. These beautiful sights, beautiful views, and at this point you can also take a right, and that will take you up to the Crib Goch route, and it is signposted as an extreme route, must be taken seriously. It is a very dangerous route, and safety first. But look at the views. I was full of excitement, more excitement. I was getting ecstatic, filling up of energy. It was like my veins are connected to the mountain. This adventure continues on part 2. I will bring you more information of what I experienced, because ahead of us, the mountain is still in the clouds. I experienced ice road where everybody was turning back. The track was actually icy. That adventure coming on the next video. It's never a goodbye. We'll see you on the next episode.